The market theme: there is bright chance that Nifty shall kick off Friday's trading session higher. The two positive catalysts. 1. Wall Street bulls reemerge from Wednesday's FOMC carnage. Microsoft surged 14% after cloud revenue jumped 43%, while its capital expenditure outlook eased concerns over unsustainable AI spending. Micron and Sandisk gained around 9% each as semiconductor stocks rebounded. 2. US inflation showed modest improvement, with the core PCE price index easing to 3.3% from 3.4%, in line with expectations. That said, this Friday morning Nifty bulls will have to battle three big headwinds. 1. WTI crude firm near $84 per barrel, posing inflationary and macroeconomic risks for India. 2. Middle East tensions have flared up, renewing concerns over potential energy supply disruptions. 3. US 30-year bond yield surges to 19-year high, highlighting persistent inflation and borrowing cost pressures. Bottom line: a sustained return of FII money, not merely a brief burst of inflows, is the need of the hour for the market's next meaningful leg higher. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Thursday's bullish session, FIIs bought to the tune of Rs 3624 crores while DIIs too turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1864 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty appears headed for massive rebound play. FNO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has tumbled towards 12.16 levels. At last check, USD INR, August, was trading lower near 95.88 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th August, is at 1.14 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.88. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.83. Midcap Nifty is at 0.99. Nifty outlook: a bullish session may be on the cards, but a sustainable market recovery now hinges on one decisive catalyst: a complete ceasefire in the Middle East. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,317. Biggest make-or-break intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 24,183 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,602 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,200 and 24,500. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 77,928. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 77,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate major resistance is placed at 79,367 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 77,500 to 79,000. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,148. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 56,700 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 58,706 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 56,700 and 58,000. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Indian stock markets ended marginally higher, supported by strong outperformance in automobile stocks. Technical landscape: all bullish eyes on Nifty's 21st April high at 24,602 mark with an interweek perspective as technical outlook remains constructive for Dalal Street. Sectors likely to outperform: Pharma, Metals, Infra, Auto. Sectors likely to underperform: Defense, Aviation, Energy, PSA. Realty. Stocks to watch: positive bias: Mandem, Eternal, Swiggy, TVS Motors, Titan, Manappuram, Sun Pharma, ONGC, Oil India. Negative bias: Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, Coal India, TMPV, HUL, Suzlon Energy, Godfrey, Indigo. Q1 FY27 earnings to trickle in Friday, 31st July 2026. Maruti Suzuki, Sun Pharmaceutical, ITC, Indian Oil Corporation, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Holdings, ABB India, GAIL, Aditya Birla Capital, National Aluminium Company, NALCO, Shree Cement, Glenmark Pharma. JMDC.